Welcome to our exploration of the wonderful world of home remedies with cumin seeds. Seedling cumin, a common spice in your kitchen, has a multitude of healing properties that can help address various health concerns naturally. In this video article, we'll unveil the top 10 health home remedies using cumin seeds, from soothing digestive issues to relieving respiratory problems. These remedies are not just time-tested but also backed by science. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health insights and natural solutions. Now, let's explore the top 10 health home remedies with cumin seeds and their usage. Digestive elixir. Boil a teaspoon of cumin seeds in a cup of water. Strain and drink it to ease indigestion, bloating, and gas. Weight management tonic. Combine cumin seeds with warm water and honey. Drink this mixture in the morning to boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. Cough and cold relief. Prepare a soothing tea by boiling cumin seeds with water. Add honey and ginger for an effective remedy against cough and cold. Respiratory support. Inhale the steam from boiling cumin seeds to relieve congestion and promote easier breathing during respiratory illnesses. Anti-inflammatory paste. Create a paste by grinding cumin seeds with water and apply it to inflamed areas for relief from pain and swelling. Iron boosting mix. Combine cumin seeds, jaggery, and sesame seeds to make a nutritious mix that helps increase iron levels. Stress reducing tea. Brew a cup of cumin tea with honey to relax and reduce stress and anxiety. Acne remedy. Create a face mask by mixing cumin seed powder with yogurt and apply it to the face to fight acne and improve skin health. Menstrual pain relief. Boil cumin seeds in water and drink it to alleviate menstrual cramps and discomfort. Anti-aging face pack. Make a face pack by combining cumin seed powder, turmeric, and milk. Apply it to reduce signs of aging and improve skin elasticity. These 10 natural home remedies using cumin seeds are simple, effective, and a valuable addition to your wellness routine. Remember to like and subscribe for more health insights and natural solutions.